So I'm going to take two of this floral foam and I'm going to use the first one. We're also going to get this balloon stick, the thick one that they use for outside. I'm going to place it inside the floral foam like that. I'm going to do that all the way around until I do the whole thing out. Then after that, I'm going to take this mirror and I'm going to put some hot glue and then I'm going to attach it into place. This is to give it weight so it won't fall apart. Then I'm going to take the stick out, put some hot glue inside and then put the stick back in again. This is to hold it into place. So I'm going to do that until I do the whole thing. Then go ahead and grab your floral foam and place it on the top. Then take your flowers and you're going to fill it up all the way around it. And you're also going to do the same thing on top of the centerpiece. Then you're also going to do it in the middle as well. We're going to spray paint it as well for other colors. Then I took this bling wrap and I'm going to place it all the way around it like that. And super easy to do and inexpensive that you guys can do at home. So now for the next DIY, I'm going to take one of these glass from Dollar Tree and I'm also going to take a spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to take some bling wrap and place it all the way around in the top of bottle. Then I'm going to take my balloon stick and I'm going to use two of the balloon stick, spray painted in gold, and then I'm going to attach it in the middle. I'm going to put some flower all the way around and then a flower in the middle. Now I'm going to take some floral foam and I'm going to put some hot glue to attach it into place like that. Just put more hot glue to attach it at the bottom and the top as well. Then go ahead and place your flowers. Now as you can see, it was a little bit wobbly, so I want to make it to be hold it perfect. So I just put some floral foam inside and then go ahead and do the same thing. Put the flowers and then attach your balloon. I also put some lights around it and this is how cute you guys it turned out. This will be so cute in different colors that you guys can do for your birthday party, and it's so simple and so inexpensive as well. I'm giving you different ideas and then you guys decide which one you like the best that you guys can make it. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of these little boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then after that I'm going to take these icing tips and I'm going to spray paint the box in red and I'm going to spray paint the icing tips in gold. Then I'm going to go ahead and make it like a leg for the boxes. So I'm going to put one on each box until I do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I took the balloon stick, I spray painted in gold, and then I'm going to attach it to the corner of the box. So I'm going to continue doing this until I attach all four of them. Then I'm going to take the top of the box, spray painted in gold, and then I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the top of the box just like that. Then I'm going to take some floral foam and attach it in the middle so I can place my leaves and flower all the way around the box. Here you could do different colors as well. Then I'm going to take my floral foam, place it on top, and I'm going to place flower all the way around as well. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy, and for you guys can do at home. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to use one of the balloon stick and I'm going to spray paint them in gold. I'm going to put a floral foam and just place one in there. So I'm going to continue placing different ones until I fill up the whole thing. You could do as many as you want. I prefer for you guys to use the floral foam that are white that is harder, but then they didn't have it, so I'm using this one. Then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around. Take a little vase or whatever you have and then just place it inside and just do whatever color you would like as well. Then I put some rock inside just to make it more stable. I put some flower all the way around it and leaves. Then I'm going to go ahead and take one flower and place it on top. Just attach it with hot glue as well. You can make short and long, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. So cute. I love how this one turns out, and this one will also be great for any party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and let me know what you guys think of this DIY.